Good morning, Cousin Mary. We're expecting Tropical Storm Cindy today. And you can kind of see it's already getting a little windy. It's real cloudy. I took some pictures last night. The sky was bright orange. It was pretty cool. Every now and then that does that here. I don't know why. Maybe the chemical plants? Who knows? But, yeah, it's coming in. We're supposed to get the outer bands. But the bad thing is this area really floods. So it'll be interesting to see if it floods. And we are getting gusts, pretty strong gusts here and there.
It's moving off to the northwest at 8 miles per hour. So with the current track, we are looking at a landfall along the Louisiana-Texas border tonight. Tropical storm warnings are up from Houston all the way to Mobile, Alabama.
It's not too bad yet. It's supposed to roll in later this afternoon and then tomorrow, so who knows. Corner of the house. A lot of birds flying around. So I'll be hunkered down today. Probably be doing videos. I'm feeling much better today, thank goodness. I felt pretty bad yesterday. My ears are going down. Cindy suggested it may be the allergy shots, so I'm going to talk to them, make sure that's not an issue. So I'll be in here today working. Hope you have a great day. Talk to you later.